Preventing a pest problem is always easier than fighting an invading bug army. Check out a few tips to keep bugs from sneaking into your home. 1. Seal cracks and gaps. Seal any cracks, gaps, and openings around your home's foundation, doors, windows, siding, and pipes. 2. Repair damaged screens. Repair or replace torn window and door screens. 3. Repair damaged weather stripping. Repair loose weather stripping around doors and windows. 4. Eliminate moisture. Fix leaky pipes, faucets, downspouts, and gutters. Remove items in your yard that collect water. 5. Clean your home. Clean up crumbs and spills. Remove trash and place it in a sealed bin. Minimize clutter to help reduce potential hiding spots. 6. Properly store food. Store your food in sealed containers to keep pantry pests away. Place produce in the fridge. 7. Trim vegetation. Trim branches and shrubs so they aren't touching your home's walls. 8. Move firewood. Bugs like to hide on firewood. Store it several feet away from your house. 9. Remove yard debris. Remove weeds, grass clippings, and leaf litter that can act as shelter for pests. 10. Plant bug-repelling plants. Some plant fragrances naturally repel pests. Mint, thyme, and petunias are known to help keep bugs away. 11. Create a protective barrier. Apply a plant-based insecticide spray, like our yard bug spray, to the perimeter of your home and yard to help prevent pests. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.